going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort, and China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They've seen this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that everything is planned out. Now, of course, guys, we get into the funny article first. We have the Zoom Escaper. So basically, you can do a plug-in into the Zoom and act like you're having weather problems. Act like you have a baby in the background. I haven't done any Zoom meetings, but if you are, now you have a tool to get out of those Zoom meetings. Now, guys, I did a video on the Fed Jerome Powell yesterday on my main channel, Crypto Teacher. Now, we have the Fed coming and says they're raising the reverse repo facility from $30 billion to $80 billion. So, guys, that is $1.5 trillion in the ammo that they just put in. So, even though that we have rising yields, they are prepared. $1.5 trillion prepared. And remember, the Crypto Teacher told you. Now, as we saw yield rates rise, what happened, guys? Stock market fell. We know we have all this money sitting on a balance sheet. We can't afford the actual rate. That's the reason why they're going to take that money and start manipulating rates. They're not going to let it rise too far. Now we have the NFL finalizes an 11-year media deal. And basically part of that deal is Amazon gets exclusive rights to Thursday Night Football. Remember, guys, we spoke about this. This is streaming. This is basically telling you streaming. There's no more television. If you have cable, it's about to be gone. It's about to be in the past. Remember, Warren Buffett did the deal with the local stations where you don't even need cable. Because with all these people out of work, that's definitely going to come in handy. Now we have the Oakland A's close to selling its first 64,000 luxury suite with Bitcoin. And guys, we know all this is about is giving Bitcoin exposure, bringing it to the actual masses. Now let's get over into the actual stocks, guys. We have Dollar General will open more than 1,000 stores this year. And like I stated, with all these people out of work, mom and pop shut down, these corporations are rising. Now, guys, we have gambling stocks will boom. Guys, we know we have March Madness coming up. We know when it comes to first quarter numbers for these gambling stocks, they're going to be big. So get yourselves prepared, get yourselves in position, put it on your calendar. Remember, first quarter numbers. Now, we have RH stock. We know Warren Buffett is an investor. Furniture retailer. Now, this stock is on the high end, but it keeps rising. Now, we have bank stocks are booming. Remember, guys, I've been over this. They have the stock buybacks. They have dividends. And then also now we have rising yields. Until the Fed gets that in control, the banks are going to keep going up. But I definitely see the Fed getting the yield rates under control, and that's the time to start pulling back off of some of these bank stocks. Now we have Duckhorn stock, the IPO, the winery, and whatever I told you guys, what is the new America going to be about? The fourth industrial revolution, guys. Cannabis, gambling, alcohol, gaming, EV stocks, drones, robots. We know it's coming, guys. Now we have Lordstown Motors. Stock falls after SEC inquiry due to orders. Guys, get it right. Make sure you're paying attention. Because the fact is that we have so many stocks that are sitting on the stock market with absolutely no product whatsoever, with billions and billions of dollars in market cap, guys. So definitely want to keep your eyes on this, because what do we know? Most likely it's going to go right back up, because we know when it comes to the New World Order, everything is planned out. But definitely keep your eye on the stock. I'm not your financial advisor, not financial advice. Please do your own research. But there's too many fake stocks on the stock market right now. They got to put this money somewhere, guys. Now we have TKAT. Now this stock has been going crazy. I've been watching it, but I keep saying, hey, it's going to go down. It keeps going up. I say it's going down. It keeps going up. So now I'm going to bring it to you guys. Chinese art company. We know the NFTs are booming, and this stock is booming right along with the NFTs. But please make sure you're doing your own research. Now, guys, we have nearly half of the U.S. is in a drought. Now, I said that again, guys. Nearly half of the U.S. is in a drought. Now, we know about CME what? CME water futures. If you haven't checked it out, please go to my main channel. I did a video on this, guys. Remember, they can control the weather. Get ready. Because don't forget, we are in the Great Reset. They took trillions and trillions of dollars away from the American people and gave them $3,000. That's right, guys. They already had $1.6 trillion on the, I'm sorry, not 1.6, $2.1 trillion on the sideline already. They had 1.6 in the general fund, $500 billion as Steve Mnuchin had on the side. They could have sent everybody $10,000, and that wasn't even included the $1.9 trillion that Biden just signed into office. So guys, as American people, we have to get that calculator out and start adding this money up. But let's look at the indicators today. We had the dollar up, we had the VIX up, and we had the yields up, which equaled the stock market down. We know these yields are killing the tech stocks. The reason why is because these stocks are fake. They're all based on evaluation of what they can hit potentially. So, like I stated, make sure you keep an eye on Lordstown, because most likely it's going to go right back up. Not your financial advice, not financial advice. Please do your own research. But that's all I have for you guys. Don't forget to check out the main channel, Crypto Teacher. Learn the new economy, cryptos, blockchain. Like, subscribe, spread the channel everywhere. Also, this channel, guys, like, subscribe, spread everywhere. Y'all have a wonderful day.